Okay, my engine light is on, and that's because my rear brake lights are not working. No rear brake lights here or up here, and you have to the bulbs, you actually lift the back up and undo 3 bolts in there, and this pulls off, clack, and there. So if your brake bulbs are not working, the engine light will come on, and same with your park lights. If park lights are not working, your engine light will come on, and if you don't do anything about it, it will go off in 2 months. Because I had to drive around New Zealand with the light on, and I thought, well, there's nothing wrong with this car. So I kept driving it, and it finally went out, and then somebody nearly crashed into me, and that's how I found out that my bulbs were gone on the back. And the fuse box is in there, which is the glove box. I had to take the glove box out, which is not hard, just squeeze it and it comes out. Oh well, I hope that helps somebody. We take it to the garage, pay $500. That's the Nissan C25 2007.